Good night, YouTube. This is the boy Crypto Trini from Trini Finance. So, guys, today I'll be showing you an overview of the brand new version of the Trading Plus, Trading Plus 1.0.3. Now, this version has a DxSale sniping bot. So now, this version will be uploaded, so you can go and download it now. And basically, once you download it, all you will need to do is you need to download the file and extract if you're downloading the zip file, and you need to configure or set the configure file. You put in your address here and your private key. Make sure you have your correct private key and your correct address. And once you do that, then you can basically just open the Trading Plus executable file. So on the executable file, there's a complete overhaul of the user interface. Now it will basically be three bots: the pre-sale trading bot and the sniping bot. And once you open it, look at these connection. Only when you are successfully connected, then you will see wallet connected access level 3 or whatever level you have. And only the level 3 will have access to the pre-sale or the DxSale bot. And I think I mentioned in a video how to use the DxSale bot. Basically, all you need to do is say you have a DxSale, you need to just copy the token address and the pre-sale address. Say like this. Let's copy this and put it in. One thing, guys, you can have multiple windows running if you want to do like have two separate token purchasing at the same time. So you copy your token address. I think it's copying. My computer is freezing a little bit. Sorry about that. You copy your token address and you copy your pre-sale address. Okay, this is still freezing. Let's see, this one is working. Okay, so you copy your pre-sale address, okay, and your I don't know what DxSale this is. And make sure, guys, when you copy in this, make sure that you don't select any extra spaces or characters. That will cause some error sometime. So you paste that in here, and instantly once you paste it in or at this token address, you will see the name of the token. So this is a GCT token, and you can see the name come up. This is a nice new feature to make sure you are purchasing the correct token. So once you load your bot, what you will do is especially for DX pre-sale, um usually the DxSale is or the website is open up before, and they will give a countdown to when you can actually start. And this bot can be effective where you can actually load everything up before, load your buy amount. Say you want to go with 0.5 BNB, your speed, they say you go with 1 speed, and the amount, and you select pre-sale, and that's about it. You have everything set up, and you just basically click start. I won't really do any buys of this because I don't know what this token is about. I don't really think it's really good, but and that's it. You just click start and you will basically purchase. So how this bot can be effective is that time you take to wait for the pre-sale to be activated. Usually you have to like reload or something before the pre-sale is activated. So that time you take to enter your BNB amount and click contribute, and then this window will pop up and everything. That time it taken to do that, this bot save all that time because basically you can have the bot preloaded and just click start, and as soon as you click start, the purchase will go through. So you will be able to purchase into the DX pre-sale before anyone else can, or before it's possible to do by human, just manually clicking. And some of these DX pre-sale finish within like 3 or 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Within a few seconds, these pre-sales can finish. And this bot will give you a huge advantage in terms of getting into these pre-sales extremely early. So you can just load up your bot, and as soon as the timer, you can time it. As soon as the timer reaches 0, and you can purchase, just click the start button, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Okay. Some other features of the bot is let me see if I could just go back, or I think this is still sticking. Maybe my computer is giving a little trouble. Let me just open up our next window. This is show you all some nice new features this bot also has is the split feature. Now say you have you're doing a snipe on a pre-sale, and it's a maximum amount, and you want to purchase all the tokens, or say the max buy is like say you want to spend like 0.5 BNB, and the max buy is 0.1, you can do a split buy of 5, so that, and make sure and check this checkbox so that you can split the buy transaction into multiple. And now I corrected this where it is instantaneous. It is like parallel and instantaneous. So let me just do an example for you all. 0.005. So say I want to do a split buy of this. I can just load up this, click buy only, or if I do this snipe, but I'm not doing any snipe, so I'm just doing a buy only to show you an example. Say buy only, click the trade, and buy speed, I'll leave it as 1 for now and just click start. And what it will do is it will split the buys. Oh no, I need to select the, since I'm doing a trade, I need to select the buy price. So this is a test, I'll just go at 101%. Or yeah, that's 101%. That's a buy instantaneously. So that I will select start, and it should buy multiple. You see all these buy transactions executed at the same time. Okay, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's what the split feature does. And all of this should go through. And I will just stop the bot because I know it will go through anyways. See, my amount went down. Another feature the bot has is, what I did is, or what the developers did is, they separated the buy and sell speed, because persons were complaining that to sell this, in the old bot, the sell and buy speed was just one speed. So if you have this as 10 and your max speed is 10, which uses like 50 GWEI or 50 gas fee, which is very expensive because like $3 or $4. And if you have it at the same speed as selling, then it will be like $10 to buy, and well, $5 to buy, $5 to sell, or what the case is. But now that you can split the speed, you can choose to have a slow sell speed because you really don't want to sell very fast. If you don't really concern with the selling speed, you can have it at minimum speed to save on gas, and have the buying speed at max to buy the tokens quickly. Be careful with this though. If you think that the token is a rug pull, I will leave the sell speed as the same as the buy speed, so that if it is a rug pull and you want to have the but sell before the developers do the liquidity drain, then you can leave this as the same speed. If not, you can have this as a minimum speed to save cost on gas. And some other features we had was the delay time. Now this is still in beta phase. I haven't really properly tested this and the liquidity amount as yet. This delay time will just basically just delay the time before the bot buy. So if you set this, so what happened, we have some anti-bot features going on with some of the tokens, where within the first few blocks they blacklist you, or they detect you as a bot if the bot basically buys too fast. So what this delay time does is you can have a delay of maybe 4 seconds, or even less, maybe 3 seconds, just to ensure that you doesn't go into the first few blocks. You can always ask when you're doing sniping on a token, let's ask if there's any anti-bot features and what the features are. Usually this 3 seconds or 5 seconds should be good. You will still buy the token before most of the persons or other users are buying, and you will protect yourself from getting blacklisted from the anti-bot. This liquidity amount is still under beta as well, but this should or supposed to only do the sniping if your minimum if you have like if the liquidity is greater than a certain value, and this is in BNB, so say 10 BNB, you will only do the snipe if the liquidity is more than this. This will come in also handy. Some tokens have small liquidity added, some of it by accident, some of it by anti-bot. So you can choose to have the bot buy only when the liquidity goes up, and it wouldn't buy, or it wouldn't cause you to buy and make a big loss if you buy like with a small amount of liquidity. So this is a nice little feature. It's still under beta though, so I haven't tested these two as yet. I tested everything else basically. And I think that's about it. The pre-sale and the DxSale, the sniping. Oh, one thing though, the sniping bot, it's still we were doing some work on it, so do not use the sniping bot on this. I would suggest you use the sniping bot on the old sniper, on the old on the original executable file or the original program. Don't use the sniping bot as yet. Just focus on the trading and the pre-sale. I will update the sniping once it is working and tested before you use it. So do not use the sniping on this. There's the trading and the pre-sale. Okay, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to release this for you all as soon as possible, so at least you all can have the DX pre-sale bot and start getting in very early into some of those DX pre-sale. So that's it. That's your boy Crypto Chini from Chini Finance. Good luck in sniping, guys.